Hello, welcome to Craftilus and nice to meet you. In this tutorial, I will show you how to crochet for beginners with this easy tutorial, and how to make slip knot and how to make single crochet. First, you need scissors, hook, needle, and of course yarn. And I recommend that you start with thicker yarn, and hook recommend by the yarn label. For example, this yarn, the size is superfine number 1, and the hook size recommend use 3 millimeters, or in Japan for 5. Okay, let's get started. How to make slip knot. Grab the yarn and hold with your thumb and your middle finger, and then grab the yarn over, pull through and tie. Okay, this is slip knot. And the next, make chain. Hold your slip knot with thumb and middle finger, and then yarn over, pull through the slip knot. Yarn over, pull through the slip knot. Yarn over, pull through slip knot. Great, you make chain. Continue, make 16 chains. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and the last 16. Okay, you finish your chain. Now let's learn how to crochet single crochet, and keep holding your chain with thumb and middle finger. First, skip the first chain. Here the first chain. Insert your hook in the second chain, and then grab the yarn. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through both 2 loops. Yes, you do it. This is your first single crochet. Once again, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, you have 2 loops on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through the both loops. Insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over and pull through the chain. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Okay, continue your single crochet until the last chain. Okay, I have finished first row of the single chain. Then continue to make next row. First, chain 1, yarn over and pull through, and then turn your work. Turning chain helps to keep your side of your work straight. Then continue, insert your hook in the last single crochet in the previous round. There's 2 loops here like V, and we insert the hook into the both yarn. Yarn over, and you have 2 loops on your hook and pull through. Continue, insert your hook in the previous of single crochet, pull through. You have 2 loops on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through both 2 loops. Continue crochet practice until you reach the last single crochet. You can keep on practice until you have square of single crochet. Okay, well done. You finish your work until you make square, and now I will finish off and wave the ends. Make 1 chain and pull the yarn, and then cut the yarn and pull the yarn. And now how to wave the yarn. You can insert yarn in the back like this. Okay. That's cool. You finish your work. I really enjoy creating this tutorial for you. Please feel free to comment if you have any question, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Keep on practice and you will able to crochet anything you want. See you.